For today's lesson, we're going to cover three things. What a brand is, how we define a brand, the difference between a brand and branding, and lastly, how to express your brand. As always, there's a key activity at the end which will help you work on your brand. I was taught long ago that a brand is not a logo. And I've been seeing this recently on LinkedIn as well. I don't want to name any names, but I thought it would be helpful to share my perspective. For me, a brand is a logo. It's a website, it's a brochure, it's your product, it's your service, it's your messaging, your mission, vision, and values. It's all of these things combined. So what is a brand then? A brand, simply stated, is an identity. It is a way of being that is expressed over time. It's a living, breathing thing that often changes as well. Take a person, for example. You might have someone that's introverted or extroverted. Maybe they like to read a lot, hang out with friends. Maybe they spend most of their time with family or in the great outdoors. This is what defines them. This is what defines their identity. And a brand operates very much the same way. So if this is what a brand is, being an identity, what is branding? Well, branding is the activity or the process of expressing that identity. And it can be expressed in a number of different ways. Physical formats might be your ad campaign, your brochures, flyers. Digital ways of expressing the brand will be through your social media, for example, or your website. And then there's experiential ways, which are the sights, the smells, and the sounds. These are particularly important for brands that have physical locations. Think of your local cafe. You walk in, certain smell, particular decor on the wall, could even be the cleanliness of their bathroom. These places that the brand is expressed are called touchpoints. So we have the identity expressed through the process of branding, and the touchpoint is where that sensation is transferred. This is the place where your audience interacts with your brand. This is what allows a brand to be recalled. This is what allows a brand to be purchased. This is what allows your audience, your brand tribe, to continue to grow. It's that sensation that's transferred from your identity to the audience, which makes a touch point so important. For the key activity, what I'd love for you to do is make a list of all your brand touch points. There are going to be some obvious ones, but I want you to actually really think through and come up with some of the non-obvious ones. Your website, brochure, maybe it's your storefront, for example, but it could also be your bathroom, your email signature, maybe how you answer the phone. In today's lesson, we talked about what a brand is, the differences between a brand and branding, and lastly, brand touch points and why they're so important. If you have any thoughts or questions about what you heard today, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.